Tired of headphones slipping during your run? Or earbuds that block out the world around you? Missing important sounds while jogging outdoors? Struggling to hear music over city noise? Worried about safety with closed-ear headphones? Uncomfortable earbuds causing ear fatigue? Sweaty workouts ruining your headphones? Calls always sound muffled on your current set? Constantly adjusting your headphones mid-workout? Wish your music sounded fuller and richer? Meet Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 bone conduction headphones. Get the price on Amazon with the link in the description. Engineered for fitness, commuting, and outdoor adventures. Open-ear design keeps you aware of your surroundings. No more missing traffic or important cues. Dual drivers deliver 3D audio, deep bass, clear highs. Experience powerful sound without blocking your ears. Leak-free listening, your music stays private. Lightweight, ergonomic frame for all-day comfort. Niti memory wire ensures a secure, stable fit. No more slipping, shifting, or discomfort. Sweat-resistant and water-resistant for tough workouts. 12 hours of playtime keeps you going all day. Quick USB-C charging for less downtime. Crystal clear calls with dual wind-resistant microphones. AI noise reduction blocks out 96.5% of background noise. Even windy days won't ruin your conversation. Customize your sound with dedicated EQ modes. Classic mode for pure bone conduction audio. Volume boost mode for noisy environments. Switch devices easily with multi-point pairing. Available in standard and mini band sizes. Find your perfect secure fit for any head size. Let's see the difference. Before, bulky headphones, sweaty ears, lost awareness. After, lightweight, open-ear comfort, and total awareness. Before, missed calls, muffled voices, constant adjustments. After, crystal clear calls, stable fit, worry-free movement. Before, flat sound, weak bass, short battery life. After, rich 3D audio, deep bass, 12-hour playtime. Before, ear fatigue after long runs. After, all-day comfort, no ear canal pressure. Before, headphones slip when you sweat. After, secure fit, no slips, no distractions. Before, blocked out from your environment. After, stay aware, safe, and connected. Before, struggling with device pairing. After, seamless switching with multi-point pairing. Before, stuck with one sound profile. After, choose your EQ for every scenario. Before, headphones too heavy for long wear. After, Featherlight 30.3G designed for all-day use. Before, worrying about rain or sweat. After, IP55 sweat and water resistance. Before, charging takes forever. After, fast USB-C, charging always ready. Before, missing important sounds on the road. After, open-ear awareness, run and commute safely. Before, earbuds hurt after a workout. After, comfortable fit, even after hours. Before, music leaks out, disturbing others. After, leak-free listening, private enjoyment. Before, struggling to hear calls in the wind. After, wind-resistant mics, clear calls anywhere. Before, limited by battery life. After, 12 hours of non-stop performance. Before, can't customize sound for your needs. After, dedicated EQ modes for every situation. Upgrade your workout and commute with Shokz OpenRun Pro. 2. Experience powerful sound, total comfort, and real safety. Stay aware, stay secure, and enjoy every beat. Ready to transform your listening experience? Get your Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 today. Get the price on Amazon with the link in the description. Hear the difference. Feel the freedom. Shokz. Engineered for your active life. Order now and power up your routine.